Hey guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up your RWM23UA dual wireless UHF microphone system. This mic system is perfect for live performances, DJ events, houses of worship, karaoke, and much more. So as you can see, the system comes with the 2-channel receiver, 2 wireless microphones, a pair of batteries for each microphone, a 1/4-inch cable, a power supply, and 2 antennas for the back of the receiver. Now the RWM23UA is 1U rack mountable and can easily fit into your rack mount or rack bag by screwing it in at these 4 corners here. So now let me show you how to set up the system. Now the first thing you'll want to do is grab these 2 antennas and screw them onto the back of the receiver for optimal use and signal. Once you have the antennas in, you're going to go ahead and grab your power supply, take the female end and plug it into the receiver, then take the other end and plug it into a power outlet. Next you'll want to take the included batteries and put them into the microphones. To do this, you'll just want to unscrew this bottom cover over here, put the batteries in facing down, and then just screw your cover back onto the mic. So I can go ahead and turn the unit on, and you'll know it's on for sure when you see the LCD displays on each channel light up. Now you'll want to connect the receiver to a powered speaker or powered mixer so that you can hear the microphones. Let me show you how to set it up on your powered speaker. Alright, so here I have the BPA-8 powered speaker, and connecting the mic system to a speaker like this is a very common setup. Now first we'll want to make sure that the level of the channel and the overall master volume is turned down just to avoid any unwanted noise. So now I'm going to want to grab the included 1/4-inch cable and plug one end into the mix out 1/4-inch output on the back of the receiver. Then I'm going to take the other end and plug that into the 1/4-inch mic input on the speaker. So now I can go ahead and turn the volume up on our channel. Then I can adjust the volume on each channel of the receiver by using these knobs here. So whenever I'm ready to sing or talk into the microphone, I can hold down this button here to turn the mic on. And now you should be hearing your voice coming out of the speaker. Now we can also use the mix out XLR output on the back of the receiver to connect to the speaker. And it's a very similar setup, just with an XLR cable. The great thing about using wireless microphones is that now I can move around however I want without having to worry about any cables whatsoever. We also have 20 frequency channels to choose from to get the clearest sound possible. So if you're experiencing any dropouts or interference while using this system, you can use this button here on the microphone to switch between frequencies. And similar to the front of the receiver, the display here on the microphone will show you how much battery life it has and what frequency the channel is set to. And with the wireless microphone, we can go as far as 300 to 400 feet indoors and 250 to 350 feet outdoors away from the receiver and still be able to hear our voice coming out of the speaker. We can also set up this wireless mic system with a mixer for more control of our sound. So let me show you how to set that up next. Alright, so here I have my RPM 1470 powered mixer that is powering these 2 passive speakers. So similar to our last setup, we can use the included 1/4-inch cable or an XLR cable to connect the receiver to a channel on our mixer. But you can also connect both channels of the receiver to 2 different channels on your mixer. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm just going to take 2 XLR cables and plug them into the balance A and balance B outputs on the back of the receiver. Then I'm going to take the other ends and plug those into 2 channels on our mixer. Today I'll use channels 1 and 2. Next we'll want to raise the faders of our mic channels. Then we'll want to raise the main left and right faders. So now if I turn on my microphone, you should be hearing my voice coming out of both speakers. And what's great about this setup is now I can use the features on the mixer like the built-in EQ and effects with the wireless mic system. So I hope this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RWM23UA dual wireless microphone system. But of course, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always guys, I'm Perry from Rockville, and I'll see you next time.